Hi, I'm Marty from Durmag Truck Bodies. Behind me is our Canopy Service Body. Let's take a look at some features and benefits. This Isuzu Canopy and all Durmag bodies come standard with infinitely adjustable sliding shelf track and a liftgate prep package. This body has a pass-through between the horizontal and the rear vertical compartment, allowing you to fit all your long tools in without having to special order a body that has a B compartment. All Durmag service bodies have an aluminum extruded floor with a box tubing understructure that gives you great strength and a light tear weight. All Durmag service bodies come standard with front aluminum gravel guards, which is normally an option with other brands. This is a key feature to keep the front of your body protected from the debris your front tires throw up. This body's been designed to allow you to access the factory battery and air filter location where they are, so they do not require relocating, and there's plenty of room for you to do your maintenance. All Durmag bodies are now made with a hidden hinge to give you added security. We're using our new version 3 lock, which really tightens the body so you have a great door seal. Durmag bodies have a individual locking key with an optional upgrade of an electronic lock system, or we have a master locking system. Come check it out at durmagbodies.com.